Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing and demonstrating this Rustoleum premium cleaner. So this is for pressure treated and composite wood when you want to restore it to its original look. So right here we have a scrap piece of pressure treated wood, very old, probably about 30 years old. It's just a broken piece I had laying around. We're going to use it as our test piece. So go ahead and read the directions for yourself because everyone's application is different, but the directions basically say 1 gallon of water to 6 ounces of mixture. I've gone and downsized that a lot. I have my water and my powder here because we don't need that much. And I have a stir stick to mix it. And we're going to apply it with this paintbrush. So basically, it tells us to add the mixture to the water. It's going to turn blue. And we're going to mix it for between 3 to 5 minutes. And then you'll see the blue start to disappear. When the blue has disappeared, that means the powder is fully dissolved and it's ready to apply. Alright, so as you can see, it's no longer blue. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start applying it to this side of the board with our paintbrush. So you'll hear it starting to fizz and it'll start to foam. So we're going to leave it now for 10 minutes and we'll come back and see how it's doing. Alright folks, so it's been just over 10 minutes now. So I just want to point out before we do get to cleaning this, it does state in the directions to reapply as needed, which you'll see in the video. I did that because this is a very old dry board, so it actually just kind of soaked it up. So I just had to reapply, which it does tell you in the directions. Next thing it tells you is to use a firm or short bristle brush. This one's kind of like a floor scrubber. So we're going to use that and scrub it and see how it goes. Alright, so the next step, it states you can either use a pressure washer. If you don't have one, just use the nozzle of your garden hose on the highest setting. I actually don't have one of those. So we're just going to be rinsing this off in our sink as it's just a demonstration piece. Alright, so we're just going to use warm water. So keep in mind this won't be the same effect as what you would have with your garden hose. You'd have better results. Gonna rinse it off. I'm going to use my scrub brush to help it along. Alright, we're just going to let that drip dry a little bit. And then we're just going to pat it down so we can show you. Alright folks, so as you can see that works pretty well. There's our line where our tape was. So I'd say that's pretty good. And again, that's no pressure washer, that's just running it under a slow tap. So your result will actually be even better than this. So I give that a thumbs up. Pretty easy to use. From the mixture turning white from blue to indicate that it's ready. It's very user friendly. Calculation is pretty easy, and the package tells you how much square footage you can use. So this will be 375 square feet just for this pack here. So instead of replacing all your boards, you can give them another few years of life, maybe 5 or 10 years. Restain it when you're done, and it'll be beautiful as the day that you bought it. Hopefully you found this helpful, everybody. And as always, please like and subscribe.